Welcome back, Bam Bam. Guess who's back? Me, the original Glam B. Hey girls and guys, how are you doing? I'm back with my first video from 2021, and since my last video, I believe, was Amazon. So today's video, as if other videos aren't kickback, chill, and just passing time. If you have nothing else to do, welcome. Welcome to my life. But no, today I have a random IKEA knickknacks and Dollar Tree knickknacks. Just random things. Random things. You don't have to buy furniture every time you go there. You don't have to go through the whole warehouse of like I don't know, ideas. You don't have to walk through the whole thing. But anyway, let's get started, girl. This is taking way. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna show you is something that was on sale. It was regular $10. It's this mug. I should have probably opened it before I decided to show you. Hold on. Yeah, so it has this like opening thing. Just casually. And it has this grip so you don't burn your little hands. And it's like I said, ceramic. I needed this. You need this. Girl, get you one. Get you one. That's what's up. Okay? The next random thing I have for you, I don't know what it is. Yes, I do. It goes with the cup, girl. It's tea. That's what it is. I bought one. Oh, wait, let me see. Oh, it's bags of tea. That's so fun. But last time, I should probably smell that before. I'm not sure I like it. It is. Oh, you know why? I've been on this rose like kick. I want to try teas with rose in it because every time I check on Target, it's sold out for the Tazo. And this one says it's naturally flavored root. I need to ask my 8-year-old daughter, what does this say? It's rooibos tea with rose hips, right, Mama?
Yeah.
Had to ask her. But yeah, so we'll see. And girl, where's my mug? It's just cute. Get it for the heck of it, even if you don't need it. This next item on the thing, I saw that it was for like flipping meat or something, bacon maybe, like little tongs. But I actually got this for my daughter because I seen somebody else buy something on Amazon that was like bamboo maybe, and they would take out the like the waffles out of the toaster so that she doesn't burn her fingers. I mean, she'll probably have to squeeze like this, hold on, like that type thing. Works perfect. That way she doesn't burn her little fingers. Okay, that you need that. Get you. If you have kids and you trust them with the toaster, get you one, girl. Okay, pause it. Next random thing we have is something else for your kitchen. There was a kitchen thing because when you like first go into the marketplace, which that's where you need to be. If you're not looking for furniture, girl, don't bother going through the whole showroom. That's what it's called, not a freaking warehouse. You need a. I went to the, you know, it's the kitchen stuff when you first walk into the marketplace. Well, at least the one in Azusa off of Barranca. So, more kitchen stuff. Every time I go, I need to get me some baggies. Why? Baggies? Yeah. And this one is 14 fluid ounces, and I got me a few because I wasn't sure because I don't do math. This one's 34 ounces, and here's what that looks like. And then I got two of these 85 ounces. We go by ounces here, right? And not really liters, but that's what. Wait, where's the picture on this one? This one here. Oh yeah, We use baggies here. They serve a lot. Oh, I got 2 of them. And then I also got this one. Let me show you guys. Let me not. It's right here. Okay. This one's 10 ounces and that one's smaller. And I'll be listing down the price because I do have the receipt, so you guys will see it right here on the screen right here probably because it's dark. This next item is called a copla. Copla? Copla. Ah, nope, that's not the cool part. That's a plug. Nope, that's not it. It's a 3 USB port plug. 3 of you can be charging your phone or devices without needing the brick at the same time. Unless you have the iPhone 12, then you, I don't know what you use to plug that. I don't have that, so yeah, that was cool. The first item that I got is this super cute watering can. And you guys know I love pink, but I also love this like Tiffany blue color, or I don't know, would this be considered turquoise? Baby blue? Soft blue? Anyway, yeah, it's super cute. I already used it. I have a bunch of plants in my room, and they're mine and my baby girls. And if you guys want a collection of the plants that we have, let me know. Give me a message down below, because I will show you. And we might not know the names for all of them, so don't judge us. But if you guys do, then let us know if we record that video. But the next item that I got was also from the same section. This was super inexpensive, and this goes right here. And this is a hanging plant thingy. It's metal, and then it has a hook right here, so you could like hang it, put a plant in there. And I actually got this for this propagation plant that was gifted to me from my sister-in-law. And once I hang it, I'll put a picture of it, or if you guys want that video with the plants, let us know and I'll be able to show you guys. They have really cute ones this time. I always look out for these. I don't know if you could tell by, anyway, it's like a blush baby pink. There you go. I think you can kind of see it like in there where the shadow is. That's the color of this. And I also got a bigger one, and these are very inexpensive, and this one's called Grabis. So let me show you the other one. The next one I got is a little bit bigger. I can't tell you the dimensions because, like I said, I don't know. Is in my mascara. This is the mascara. Look how full and huge and beautiful she is. And this one is like a light gray. Can you tell? And I can't show you the name because the plant's in here, unless I take it out. I don't think it matters. I'll probably write it on there. Hello. Hey. So for the last item from the IKEA haul, I have a little special guest for you guys. It's Hi Kingdom. Hi guys. Okay, and the reason we have her here is because this last item, I was raving about them with her, and so I'm like, you need to try it, girl. This is the bomb.
If you guys don't know what it is, it's cookies, and we have chocolate and raspberry. And that's. I'm gonna only try raspberry because I don't really like chocolate things, so don't judge me, please.
Okay, we're not judging. But here's the chocolate one. And there seem to be like I'll tell you what it says. It says cookies with chocolate flavored filling. And they're like what are those called? The sugar cookies? No, shortbread cookies with like chocolate in the middle. But
I'll tell you
these
guys
are pretty good actually. They're like sandwiched and then with an opening of a heart, and same with those. And those are the ones. Ooh,
it's called testing. It's not. This card is cap. Okay, yeah.
No, we don't care about the name. Yeah. But what does it say right here? Right
cookies there. With raspberry flavored filling.
Yeah. Show. That show right here. So these are the ones she's gonna taste, and we want a real reaction. If you need water in case your mouth gets dry. See, hair, it
I
still has a
know.
little opening right here, so it's convenient. Oops, somebody's gonna have to eat the other one. Look how cute. How cute. So here's one side of the cookie, and here's the other. What? You can't even see that, girl. It's so bright. Okay, here's the truth test. Oh, yeah.
Oh, so if you guys don't see, there's kind of like white stuff like marshmallows.
Yeah, it's like raspberry cream, and I think that's what makes it so.
I'm so scared, guys.
delicious.
Let's try it. They're really good.
Yeah, we recommend them. How many out of 10?
100.
Girl, get you some. Get you some, if anything, out of this whole entire haul. If you feel like everything else is a waste, which I don't think so. Oh, I didn't finish saying that the mug was. Oh, that's because I was gonna add the pricing, but it was originally $10. Sorry, dear. It was originally $10 on sale for $5, and Kate convinced me to get it because I was like, do I really need to spend this for $5? You need to go get you some, but get you some of these cookies because these are bomb, and these are by the registers, so can't miss it.
Also, you know the heart is not like, that is not like it doesn't like it doesn't like, never mind. Yeah, it's, so you can tell it doesn't stick to your finger, and it doesn't like spill, so it's good.
Yeah. So anyways, that's the IKEA haul, and let's move on to the
Add it to the video so we can laugh.
Next we have the Dollar Tree items, and this is a sneak peek, but I'll show you that last. Okay, so we're just gonna try to go through it because I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm gonna start talking faster. I don't know how, so you might not understand what I'm saying. I'll start with the book. I don't know, I kind of feel like I want to start reading books. The problem is that I forget what I read. I don't do comprehension learning. Anyway, so this seemed really interesting to me, and also, why is there something in here? The regular price of it was $26 US, so I'm like, not because of the price, because I actually read the prelude first before I looked at the price. The original price, but it's called Startup. Yeah. Next, I have this cup that is for painting from the Crafter Square. Girl, I'll link it below or something. But it's a cup with a lid, and it's for your paintbrushes, and you add water in here so you just don't make a mess or wash your. Okay, I also got these wipe out and cancel erasers. That's what they say on them. But I think that we can replace this with like something cute that we make to make it our personable. But this one's for me and this one's for my baby girl. You already know. This is actually her favorite color at the time. At the moment, it's green and pink. I prefer like a blush pink, but okay, it's pink nonetheless. Oh, also because she likes to draw a lot and I like to draw a lot, so I always need this. And then speaking of which, takes me to my next item, and it's the sharpener that I got for my color pencils. Yes, I said mine, and it's green because I'm probably going to share it with my daughter. And I had to get a color that she likes, but it's for my color pencils because like I said, I'm drawing and stuff, and she draws for me, I draw for her. It's something cute we have together. And then I also have these pump spray bottles. You know, speaking of DIYing, there's like other hacks and stuff that, you know, lotions and potions or whatever that you can use these for. And also from the Crafter Square, I got this, what is it called? Aluminum crochet hook. I'm trying to, oh, there we go. No. Can you see it? It's for yarn. What do you call it? Crochet, I guess. I don't know. I bought 3 colors. I freaking was looking for like a soft blush pink and they didn't have one. So I got 3. I got this white. This actually in the box, I think is because there was a red like on top of it, kind of make it look pink, but it's white. And then this light blue for the hair. Gonna get that at Dollar Tree, I hope. And black. I don't know what I'm gonna make with this. I don't know. Don't ask me. Because I don't know. Okay, I also picked up this Super Bond for like nails, I guess. Speaking of which, next video, I promise I'll be wearing some nails. I know. Don't bring that up. Next item, moving along. Some hair ties. What do you call these, scrunchies or whatever? I thought these were really cute. And I cut my hair, guys. I don't know if you noticed. Did you notice? Don't look at my pink bra. But also, there's a gold one. Yeah. There's another hair item in here. Oh! And there's Spoonsy, I think is the name. And these are some really cute berets. Those are little hats like the little French people wear. But these look really nice because I have bangs. Not sure if I'm gonna show you, but I got fringe bangs, and my son said I look younger without them, so we're doing without them. Cause you know, if you say younger, they're gone. That's that. And then I'm in the 40 plus club, so I need glasses now. And I got this. What is it called? Magnifying lens.
Yeah, it's called magnifying glass.
That's what it says. Magnifying glass. It lights up. Oh shoot, you can't tell. Can you? Oh yeah, look. It lights up. Yeah, actually I for the first time ever had my eyes checked, and it turns out I could see better with one eye than the other. And so until I get my glasses, I literally need that. I need a little magnifying glass because everything's way too small, way too blurry. Not my fault. Not my fault. Okay, and then I also got this, what is this called? It's like, what do you call this? You know what it is. I'll list it down below. Don't ask somebody. You already know what it is. But the reason I got this was because, my son's shelving needs, just like a little layer of something. I wouldn't have picked this color out. They didn't have the marble one. I would have preferred the marble one, but it is what it is. And the last item, last but not least, items are these. I'm sure you guys saw all the new like baskets and storage stuff that came out in these colors. It's like the color, girl. This blush pink. Right here, I got 2 of them because that's all they had. I would have liked the ones that looked like real high quality, like thicker, like almost like a wicker, but it's plastic and in this color. But they didn't have any. This is all they had. Not sure what I'm gonna use them for yet, but they were the last ones, so I had to grab them. Well, guys, I'm sorry to say, the time has come for me to say, did that rhyme? Anyway, no guys, it's been so much fun being back and showing you guys a little random things here and there. And hopefully, oh shoot, I have a lot of ideas for new videos, so hopefully, no, I'm not hopefully, I'll be back. I'll be back soon. Don't be sad, girl. I'll see you. I'll be seeing you right away. Not only that, my daughter has a new video on her channel. If you like fashion, kids fashion, if you have children, take them to see it. It's Kay's Kingdom. I'll list it down below. So go subscribe and support the child. But anyways, you guys, I hope you've all been well, and I hope you didn't miss me too much because I miss you so much. And I know there's only like 12 of you watching, but I missed you all, every single one of you little glambies. Until next time, here's the in and out. I was gonna say in and out. Next up we have the, what the heck?